Guess. Name.
Ariella. BFF.
What? I'm your sister. I'm your sister.
And what are we going to be doing today, Daisy?
We are doing a volcano experiment.
Whoa.
But first we have to let it dry before we do
Whoa, you're skipping ahead. Okay, so we're going to be doing this amazing volcano thing. And when did you get this? Why did you get this?
It's on my birthday.
On your birthday?
Yes, I didn't actually normally get it. Someone else got from me, so.
It was a present?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna
Wait. How are we supposed to open this without scissors?
I think we use scissors. We can make them magically appear. You ready? Whoa! How did the scissors get here? That's crazy! Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh,
you will be doing this.
Yeah, this is a big.
You will be doing this because you're older than
me.
me. I'm only 6 years old. Sorry, I'm not old.
27.
I'm 26.
Well, ow, give me a paper cut.
Sorry, Shmimi.
Look.
I'm so sorry. Nothing in here.
Okay, so first we have.
Nothing.
What is this? Instructions.
Instructions. Can I just move?
Say that. Say that again.
Instructions.
We have instructions.
Instructions.
We have. What is this? Show.
Ooh, what is this? What is this?
Hold it up. Hold it up.
A nice, very nice SpongeBob.
SpongeBob
SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, so we have. What is this? Paint.
Yeah, we have paint, something like this, and like a marker, and I don't know what this is. And we have some, I guess, paint.
Interesting.
And then we have sponge to put it on.
We have a SpongeBob.
Ah.
And next, show the camera.
This is part.
Open it up.
Okay, this is a volcano, but we didn't have.
You don't know. How do you know that? It's just a circle with a.
It's just a circle.
Cardboard.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
This is so small. How are we supposed to fit lava? How are we supposed to make the lava
Let's
inside?
figure that out. We have this really interesting. It could be like a necklace.
It's very stylish. Very stylish.
What else do we have? There's more stuff. Open.
Yeah, I'll take it all.
Oh, whoa!
These are ingredients.
Ingredients. This looks like some type of. I don't even know.
Olives. Looks like
olives.
Okay, let's put this.
We have our olives.
Yeah,
trash.
It's useless.
Say trash.
It's
trash.
It's useless.
Go trash.
Trash. I don't know what this is. Is this where we? Is this the floor?
I don't know. We'll see. We have our instructions on the side, and then we also have these two.
Oh, I'm gonna check.
Okay, on to the next thing. Oh, look, we don't have to read all this boring stuff. We can just open up to the pictures.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Okay,
Where would it be building?
We already did that. Duh. Okay, so first we need to take this guy.
This guy.
This guy.
This necklace.
And I think we're gonna need, you see that yellow stuff? Not that one. The other one.
Oh.
The yellow papers. I think that's this tape.
No.
Here, look. So we're gonna open this.
That does not look.
I feel like tape. Oh, there it is. Okay.
How was I supposed to know that?
I don't understand what's
So then what is this for?
I don't know. I'm really confused.
Oh yeah. It's this.
Yeah, but feel it. It's like not sticky.
Oh yeah.
Do we need to lick it? Should I lick it?
No. Okay, look it. So this tape doesn't work, so we're gonna use a regular old tape.
I think we need some
Tape.
tape.
Magic! A miracle.
A miracle.
Okay,
So I'm gonna show you this really cool thing.
Regular old stuff.
Why is it old? What if I'm gonna be taking the tape and doing a little loop-de-doop-de.
Whippy.
For all you fellows at home who don't know how to do the loop-de-doop-de. Let's hold this space.
It's upside down.
Okay, we have to press it so it doesn't come apart.
Is this upside down or?
Beautiful. Look, so unpeel that, and we're gonna be attaching that. We're gonna be attaching that to this, and right there.
This? Oh, this side.
Sure. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let's see this. And the foams are gonna stick that right in the middle.
Right here. Oh, There we go. That's a good explanation. Ah, that looks so cool.
So before we attach it like this, which we wanted to do really badly, we're gonna need more tape.
Magic.
Magic. No, it's not magic.
I just so sticky, Ariella.
It's not my fault. It's tape. I'm gonna put it like this, and I'm gonna need you, or you're gonna need push down all the thingies.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one.
But like they can be bendy, you know, like bent.
So yeah.
So now, here, you take that one.
No. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna open these.
What are these, guys?
The
What
camera
are
sees.
these? At least almost. Oh, that's cool.
Wow. They
Oh wait!
feel-
Oh, these are to cover these parts.
Yeah, they're a little dusty, you know.
Yes.
Whoa.
Because maybe these
It's
all.
gonna be messy, but we need a bowl of hot water now.
We skipped ahead and we cut the strips, I guess. There we go. Into small pieces. Dun dun dun.
Okay.
Now we have some hot water.
Yeah, what are we gonna do now with these bowls of water? They're looking kind of funky. We're gonna drink it?
No! Your hand is that. Oh, I just love that sound. It's so annoying. It looks like a bathtub.
Looks like a bathtub. Sorry, volcano.
I think
so far.
paint.
There's a hole. You left a hole.
I did not let the hole. I did actually. I'm just
I
joking.
have to fire you now. You can't make any more volcanoes.
We have the volcano. We made the volcano. We have rounded the volcano. We have put the volcano stuff on.
And what are we gonna do now?
Paint it.
No.
Try it.
Yeah, now we have to wait for it to dry. This is the most boring part.
Aww.
Okay, so
We'll see you guys later.
we will come back when it's dry.
We'll come back.
Okay, so we dried the volcano with the blow dryer just because it was faster that way. So now we can get to the next step, which is
Painting.
painting. So we have to paint the volcano.
Wait, how are we
And
supposed
we
to get the
have
paint on?
here. I'll open it.
I'm trying to make a grass
Should
first.
tell it doesn't start.
A nice poopy green color. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna use a big brush. Oh, I just really want to start with a big paint.
Okay, so I'm focusing on the brown part, and Daisy's doing the green.
Green, yeah, now.
The green grass. It's on this side though, so you can't really see it, but
Yeah, we'll be able to turn it when we're done. My very, 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 very beautiful.
we do not think there's gonna be enough paint
Yes, there is.
to cover the entire mountain.
Yes. We have finished painting it and decorating so it looks very, 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 very stylish.
Yeah, and we put flowers on it.
Yes. I said we decorated it. I'm gonna put this on and then she is gonna put
The mixture in.
the mixture.
Well, not yet though. So we have here, we measured. This did not come in the package, by the way. 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda.
Yeah, you have to make your own.
And we have here about a cup of white vinegar with red food dye in it.
And also you have to make it by yourself.
Yes.
Or with your
So first, what we're gonna do is Daisy's gonna hold the funnel.
the funnel.
And do you want to pour this in?
You pour
You want
it.
me to pour this in? And I'm gonna pour this in the volcano. First, you do the baking soda.
It's so messy.
Really powdery.
Okay, now you get off.
Are you
You
using
give
the
me-
funnel for this?
Yeah.
Should we take out the funnel?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, yes.
Okay, you take out the funnel. Okay, now you give me that.
Okay, now Daisy's gonna do the crazy part. Fast. All of it. All of it. Ah! Oh my god.
That's so
Well, that's something.
I want to touch it. Ariel, touch it.
You can touch it.
You touch it.
You touch it. Well, that was interesting.
That's cool. I'll touch it.
Well, unfortunately,
Now go wet again.
it was not as fantastic as we hoped for.
It was so cool.
And I think the reason for that is because the little tube is so small. It didn't allow for all the liquid to go in, and it didn't give any measurements either, which is kind of funky, but...
My hands are pink. Oh, that was a failure.
Thank you for watching.
And then we'll pour some
Volcano.
more. Oh,
Fail.
fail, what a fail. But we can do this again, Ariella.
Okay.